Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture. Here I am presenting my Verilog HDL blog, Verilog HDL 15EC53 at blogspot.com. You can go to this link and find many materials related to Verilog HDL. Let me tell you how actually this blog will be. I have uploaded few PPTs related to Verilog HDL, which covers all the basic concepts in Verilog. You can go through this blog so that you can find many study materials starting from basics of Verilog, that is Verilog HDL module 1, which covers overview of digital design with HDL, typical design flow, and then top down bottom up methodology in Verilog HDL while designing the system, and then lexical conventions, basic concepts, data types in Verilog HDL, system tasks and compiler directives. And then coming to the modules and ports, how the module will be, how ports are going to be declared, how the statements are going to be written, instantiation of other modules, and then coming to gate level description in Verilog, and then data flow description, how to write the code using gate level description and also in data flow description, and then coming to the behavioral description, how to write the code in behavioral description for any complex design, and also a few examples related to the system design, that is traffic signal controller, how the code is going to be written and how to simulate this, and also some function and tasks in Verilog. These are the study materials I have covered over here, and also you can find few videos in my blog. I have given the video links, which is logic synthesis, how the logic synthesis can be done in Xilinx Vivado, and task and function videos, and traffic signal control, the simulation video also I have uploaded. And here you can find the simulation of logic gates and implementation on artix 7. Okay, artix 7 hardware implementation of this logic gates. A simple example is taken and the video is shown over here. And also you can find some university question papers which is appeared in 2017-18 batch, December January examination, and also June July 2017-18 examination, and also one model question paper released by Visvesvaraya Technological University VTU related to Verilog HDL. The textbook need to be referred is Verilog HDL, a guide to digital design and synthesis, that is Samir Palnetkar. Here I have given the textbook download link also. You can go through this and you can download Verilog HDL book. And related to VHDL is concerned, here I have given one link to download the book VHDL for programming logic. You can download the book by using these links. And also I have uploaded few Verilog codes over here. It will be useful for you guys to understand how actually the coding will be in Verilog. It is an example of 8 to 3 encoder with priority. If you click on some order ports, you can see encoder without okay, this is my Verilog HDL blog. Those who are interested to learn Verilog HDL, you can click on Verilog HDL 15EC53 at blogspot.com. You can go to this link and find some study materials. Thank you.